So what we saw today here was how can we reuse a piece of code what you have configured in Power BI. You can connect to different pieces of information in Power BI. You need not repeat the same steps. Rather, you can convert those into functions which accepts parameters. So as soon as you add any parameter to the query, that becomes a function. And you can call the function from that command line using add a new step. And basis that you update the same content. So this helps you to repeat the code, and it's very important to note that all these queries are available to you in your designer and in the table structure. So if you go over here and you say edit queries, the window which opens up is something very important. The functions are given with fx. Any query which you write on your own, your dynamic query, is given in this format. There are inbuilt numerous, there are around 800 plus functions in this mQuery. It is good to know most of them. However, if you don't know, they can get auto-generated. You can keep studying the mQuery window of advanced query and learn what is happening behind the scenes. Most important in today's session is functions. So try to convert every piece which is gonna be used in future into functions and keep calling them as and when needed. A small manipulation, it's more like an assembly line. You just you find the assembly line, save that assembly line as a function and keep calling that function by updating the advanced query window and your measures and command line, which is this, will help you achieve most of your things without a pain.